Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of English. Student, you know very well, this week we are learning a historical story, the Narayanpur incident. And I have already told you in this story, the characters, that is Mohan, his brother Manju, Babu, his mother, and of course there is a police, and they all have created this story, beautiful story, which is based on the Quit India movement. And all of you are aware about the incident, what was Quit India movement and what is the importance of that movement in the Indian freedom history. So you all remember, and I will proceed this story and conclude today. Today will be the last part of the story, and I am sure that all of you will be able to listen and understand what the story tells you and what is the concluding part. Let me review to remind you, to make you everything fresh from the beginning part. As you know, Mohan's father was put in jail, and Mohan had joined the Quit India movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. Very well you know that the people decided to make a procession to inform the British administration what Indian people had decided under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. You know very well, the processionist had gone to the collector's office, and they had made that procession very peacefully. There was no slogan, no shout, no violence. They simply wanted to inform the British that India was not now in a position to tolerate British rule. They wanted India free, and so reaching there, they handed over a piece of paper which contained the same message. The processionist simply informed the British DSP to quit India so that they will not have to face the consequences. And you remember very well, the procession was watched by several people. Among them were Babu and Manju, Mohan's sister and brother as well. The same day, a parcel came to Mohan's house. The parcel was covered with a newspaper, which was a cyclo-styling machine. I had told you in the previous video, the cyclo-styling machine was making the copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech so that they could make aware to the people the plan, the way they were going to make India free, and they were going to make the movement successful. So we have seen already all these things. The man who came the same evening and called Mohan's mother, telling her that there was a search going to take place in her house. As the British police suspected that Mohan had hidden a cyclo-styling machine to make copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech. In the beginning, Mohan denied. Mohan told that there was not any thing like such, but his mother, Amma, accepted. She told that the machine was there in her house. The man recognized Amma, and Amma also recognized the man whose name was Mr. Patil. Patil assured her that he had come to protect the family so that Mohan could not be sent to jail. And that's why he had come to take the machine to keep with himself, and in this way he could save the family. And at last, Amma told her son Mohan to bring that which was in the puja room, and Mohan handed over the machine to the man who had come on a bike. Let us now proceed to the next part, the concluding part. What is there? That is in this here part of the video session, and the beginning session that I have already explained you in online classes as well in the video session. This story is going to conclude today. I share you the content of the last part of the story, which later I explain you line wise in the class. This story contains historical content based on Quit India movement, when people of India became determined in the leadership of Gandhiji to force British to leave India at any cost. In the last, as I have told you, where the story finished in the last video session, in the last event, we read that we read that a well-wisher of Mohan's family came to his house to know if there was a cyclo-styling machine in his house. Although Mohan denied, he told that there was nothing like such, but his mother accepted it. At that, Mohan made an angry hissing sound as well at his mother. He didn't believe that person, who he was, why had he come, why he wanted that machine. So he denied. But later, when his mother accepted that there was machine in her house, Mohan has no way now accepted to be angry. So the man asked where that machine was. He told Mohan and his mother to give that machine so that he could hide it and protect the family from police, so that the police in search, if found so, Mohan would be sent to prison, jail. And that's why he had come earlier before the search to inform the family. As he claimed that Mohan's father was his friend, he was a well-wisher, and that's why he had come. Mohan was angry, as I told you, and didn't believe him. He also even told his mother, how could you believe Amma to a policeman who was in the policeman of the British? But the man told him that he was a friend of his father and a well-wisher of that family also. Amma went to puja room followed by Mohan. Mohan handed over the machine to Patil in a big bag, and they had gone. Police had gone, and after that Amma and Mohan also went inside the room, handing over the machine. The machine, that was cyclo-styling machine. This machine could make the copies of the speech that was made by Gandhiji to appeal the people of India to participate in the Quit India movement. And Gandhiji believed in non-violence. He didn't want any kind of violence, any kind of creation of any nuisance, so that his principles, his ways of life could be disturbed. So the house seemed unbelievably quiet after earlier activity. What had happened in the house? Whole house was now quiet. Amma told Manju to go to bed, but she said how she could sleep as the police was to come. the man had come that the police would come the same night for the search, the same machine that man had taken. The same moment there was a loud knock at the door. When they were talking in the room, there was a loud knock at the door. It was repeated. The noise was repeated. When asked who it was, who was there, sound came to open the door again. Amma asked Mohan to see who it was, who was there at the gate. Although everyone was sure that police had come. So Mohan went to open the door and he saw the police at the door. In this way, the man who had informed them saved the family, especially Mohan, because he was accused to keep the machine. And certainly, if the machine would have been found, it was sure Mohan was to send to prison, to jail. So, no doubt, several such stories took place in the history, in the course of Quit India movement, and this was one. I think that you must have understood the whole story, and in the next video session, that is for the next week, we will discuss the exercises, questions based on the exercises, and other parts of the exercise. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Thank you, students, being with me to join the video session. Thank you.